at the waiting shed.
Yeah, waiting shed. Because since it's raining and we can't film anything.
Yeah, inside it's very loud because of the metal roof. So we decided to kind of do a question video here. Because out here we can film, other than the vehicles making a little bit of a noise, the microphone should be picking us up quite well here. So we can ask some questions here. First question maybe we would like to ask you is like, what is something that connects you to our videos? Something you want to see us do more often in our videos?
Yeah.
And
And also what you guys are mostly skipping.
yeah, the
What
things that
part?
are boring or stale for you guys that you can be like, I'd like to see improvement on that maybe. Then another question I had is something maybe, for example, the chopping part. Do you want to see us chopping all the vegetables or only like the main necessity vegetables? Because, for example, onions, garlic, those are kind of a standard in food. Do you want us to keep showing chopping like that, or just the extra vegetables you don't always see in a dish? And
Let's wait for the
Yeah.
because it's too loud.
all right,
Well, we can do anything about it. I think one of my questions, the market.
yeah. What about the market? Do you want us to keep it in, or do you want us
they want
to
us
remove
to
it?
meet that?
Or potentially do it differently if you have a different suggestion on it, like how you want us to see it differently. You can also say that down below, like.
In the comment, we really appreciate.
And that's something we want to say. The comments and the shares and the likes, those are all hitting algorithm. If you really want us to help, if you want to help us grow this channel to, 10,000 to 20,000, 30,000 subscribers,
Okay, let's go.
the likes, the shares, and the comments, they all show engagement onto YouTube, and then also watching the video fully helps. So yeah, those kind of things really, help, and that's why we're making this video, to really understand what the viewer wants to see from us, what they expect from us. I think we've made now a certain amount of videos that we have a style, and we want to kind of work along that style, like where to improve and where to just drop off. Like, what do we drop off and what do we keep in our videos and what do we add? So, yeah. Do you have any more questions?
No? Maybe, na lang. Ask them to leave a comment. What else do they want to see from us?
Yeah, so like, you can always send a comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make for dishes or updates or something specific that maybe you saw about Zambales or something.
How do we met?
Stories, that would be good too. I'm willing to make the stories. Just I don't know how the audience would like that, so that's why we're doing these questions videos. Because of if we start making new videos that our audience are not going to watch, that will hurt our channel. So that's why we're making this video, so that whatever your ideas are, I already assume that you're going to be the one watching that one already, so that will already help with the algorithm. So yeah, today was a typhoon. That's why we're sitting out here making this video, because it's nice and quiet and we hear the birds other than the vehicle engines.
It stopped raining for
Yeah.
a while, so we took this opportunity.
Oh look, it's starting to actually again.
Oh, God.
So that's what it's been doing. It's been going like on and off with the rain. So yeah, today was supposed to be recording day, so we just filmed 2 videos. And yeah, I think that's good, right?
Yeah, it is. So, guys, please let us know.
Yeah, like, share, and subscribe, please. Appreciate all of you guys who are watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully that might be a cooking related video or I'm not gonna say a secret video.
Bye.
Bye bye.